Hi, I'm Cole Tanner. Today I want to talk to you about how to make your Ozonics quieter in the field. Listen, we're hunters too. On a calm day, my foot rubbing up against my, platform of my tree stand the wrong way, it can sound like a megaphone going off. And again, with that Ozonics 8 to 10 inches above your head, the sound that it produces can take some getting used to. If you feel like your Ozonics is impeding your ability to hear, don't be afraid to take that unit and turn it a half turn on the mounting system and run it upside down. Make sure to set the angle of the unit correctly. But again, when it's running upside down, it won't affect the performance of the unit at all. Just make sure that you don't let any, leaves or tree bark or stick fall down in that fan intake. But again, the example that I always like to give is think about if I have my cell phone in a solo cup. If I put my cell phone in that cup and turn a song on and I point it right at me, it's just really directing that noise right at me. If I take and I turn that solo cup away from me, it sounds a ton quieter. Same thing with that fan. When we have that fan above our head, the sound from that Ozonics is being directed right down on us. If we turn it that half turn and run it upside down, we're directing that sound away from us. Believe me, we've heard from people that'll call and say, man, that deer heard the Ozonics. It cost me an opportunity. And honestly, I'd be the first to tell you, in all my years of experience with Ozonics, I can't tell you that I've had one time where I felt like, a deer heard it, where it, negatively and adversely affected that animal's behavior, and it was because of my Ozonics. If anything, I can't tell you how many times I have deer directly under the stand where I'm, grabbing a piece of bark and, dropping it on its back, and on top of that, I have stands set at 10 feet or 15 feet. And at the end of a morning set, seriously, I have made sure my unit was on hyper boost mode, and I've climbed down on a calm day and stood there and just listened, and climbed back up because I thought I must have turned the unit off because I just can't hear it. But again, if I'm trying to quiet the unit down, and I would encourage you the same thing, don't be afraid to turn it that half turn on the mounting system and direct the sound from that unit instead of down on your head, but direct it up to help make it quieter. Thanks for watching our video today on how to make your Ozonics quieter. If you have any other questions, don't be afraid to jump on our website at ozonicshunting.com, or feel free to give us a call at 979-285-2401. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again, and good luck out there.